this is just going to put a chart on the screen, but without asking us too many things. So you might see something different from what I'm seeing in here. Last time I created a chart, I created a line chart, and this is why I have a line chart over here. In this short video, I would like to show you how to create a graph in Google Sheets. So the first thing that we have to do is we need some data that can be plotted to a chart. And the next thing that we have to do is to just select that data. I'm doing that by clicking inside of it and pressing Ctrl and A. Next, I have to go to Insert, and from over here, click on Chart. Now, this is just going to put a chart on the screen, but without asking us too many things. So you might see something different from what I'm seeing in here. Last time I created a chart, I created a line chart, and this is why I have a line chart over here, but this is not guaranteed that yours might look like that. However, you can get to customize the type of chart that you want from this chart editor menu in here. You can go ahead and pick the chart type, which can be line, area, column, or whatever you want. I will just pick bar chart, for example, and as well, you can customize a lot of things in here. You can switch rows and columns if that makes sense for your chart, and as well as many other things that you can customize in here. Now, this is how you create a simple chart in Google Sheets. If you want to learn more, please leave a comment down below. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.